So in this experiment, we're going to take iron oxide. So that's iron 3 oxide that's found in rocks called hematite. So that's an ore because it's a valuable mineral. We get the iron out of it. And to do that, we burn it in the presence of carbon. And so that will the oxygen will be taken by the carbon and releases carbon dioxide, and we'll be left with solid iron. So what we do is we just check. So we've got some just some powder here. It's basically the same as rust, and we can see with a magnet it's not magnetic. And then we're going to turn it into iron, which is going to be attracted to the magnet. So first, just dip the match in water. That'll help absorb the solids. And the first solid we use is actually sodium carbonate. Now, this is just a bit of a trick. It helps the reaction go from A to B, so it's sort of a side reaction. And then we dip it in the iron oxide. So it's all red like that. And then you just use a lighter to light the match because you can't access the match underneath to get it to strike, and just hold it and just let it burn out. And then you just put it in the watch glass and just gently just break up the leftover material. Put it on a piece of paper and just make it into a fine material. And then when you get the magnet underneath, now you're going to see there's lots of iron filings. They get pushed around by the magnet. And so you've successfully converted the hematite, the iron oxide in the rock, with reacting it with carbon to get rid of the oxygen, and you've created iron.